Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. YouTube is reportedly testing AI-generated quizzes on its mobile app home feed. The quizzes will appear for users who watch educational videos and will assess their knowledge of the topic. The quizzes include a link to the recently watched video for further learning. Initially, only a subset of English language content will have the quiz element. YouTube has been known for educational content and has partnered with Crash Course and Arizona State University for its study hall program. The quiz feature is currently being tested on Android and iOS, with premium members having access until 30th July. Dukaan, a DIY platform for creating online stores, has laid off 90% of its support team after implementing an AI chatbot for customer queries. The CEO, Suumit Shah, stated that the chatbot reduced resolution time significantly. Details about the laid-off employees' assistance were not provided, but Shah mentioned an upcoming LinkedIn post regarding the layoffs. He focused on explaining the creation and benefits of the chatbot instead. Twitterati's response to the layoffs was negative, with users criticizing Shah's handling of the situation. Dukaan plans to hire for AI, product design, and e-commerce roles. A law firm in the Bay Area has filed a proposed class action lawsuit against Google, Alphabet, and DeepMind, accusing them of scraping data from millions of users without consent and violating copyright laws to train their AI models. The lawsuit highlights Google's privacy policy update that acknowledges the use of publicly accessible information for training AI models. The lawsuit argues that this practice diminishes the incentive for people to purchase copyrighted works and demands injunctive relief, damages, and compensation for individuals affected by the alleged data misappropriation. Google and its subsidiaries have yet to respond to the lawsuit. Indian IT company Wipro has announced the launch of its AI 360 service and plans to invest approximately $1 billion in AI over the next 3 years. The AI 360 ecosystem aims to incorporate AI into every internal tool and solution, as well as provide AI-driven services to clients. Wipro will focus on responsible AI operations and aims to enhance its talent pool and operations with AI. The company will also offer AI training to around 250,000 employees and launch a Gen AI Seed Accelerator program for generative AI-focused startups. This follows similar initiatives by other Indian firms like Tata Consultancy Services. The Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur has developed an indigenous version of the Kamikaze drone under the DRDO Young Scientist Laboratory project. These suicide drones can carry warheads of up to 6 kilograms and cover a distance of 100 kilometers. The drones have advanced technology that allows them to evade radar detection and can be equipped with cameras and infrared sensors for surveillance. With an AI-enabled visual guidance system, they can neutralize targets without GPS support. The drones will undergo target destruction trials in the next 6 months, significantly enhancing offensive capabilities. That's all for now in AI to Z. Do give your opinion on show. See you next time in a new show with some new information. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.